Hey guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. And this is my sister Lucy, and we're about to do this buffalo wing challenge, and it's ghost pepper, the ghost pepper sauce. So this is what we're about to do. We got the buffalo wings right here. And we got some blue cheese sauce. Because you know you gotta have your buffalo wings with blue cheese sauce. You know that, right? So, well, that's what we're about to do. I know I look like all messy and everything. But, alright. We're just gonna get to it. We're just gonna get this, this YouTube video for y'all. We're doing this for y'all, guys. We're doing this for you. My sister, she really don't eat that spicy food, but she would definitely do it with me, you know, but she's not really into spicy food. Just letting y'all know, okay?
Well, I kind of like spicy food, but since this one is the, what was it called?
The ghost pepper.
The ghost pepper. I know it's a little bit more spicy than the things I eat.
Yes. And we do have our water bottle here, and just letting you know, whoever get their water bottle, they're out. They're lost the challenge. Oh. So, that's the thing. Let's see if my sister Lucy could do it. Let's see. I mean, like, I eat spicy food all the time, but let's see if my sister could handle it. So, let's get started. Let's just start eating their buffalo wings, and let's just get started, okay?
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Put in the blue cheese.
All right.
It smells hot. It tastes good.
Tastes really good. That's what it's tasting really, really good.
It's a little bit spicy.
They're already kind of getting spicy now. Like when you eat it more, they get more spicy.
Yep, I'm feeling it right here on my lips, huh?
Yeah, it's kind of spicy now. But it do taste good, and that's what the flavor is there. The flavor is there. It do taste good. You know what you should do? Try to not eat one with blue cheese to see if you could taste the ghost pepper challenge. You know.
All right, let me try it. See if I can taste it without the blue cheese.
You could definitely taste it. It's getting like hotter. You could taste it, right?
It's getting hot.
It's getting hotter now, she say.
Even my ears itching.
What else do you feel? So you could tell them, like, what else are you starting to feel?
My lips are burning. The outside of my lips.
Now, start to get hotter now. I'm over here laughing because it's kind of funny. It seems like she's getting it like all high and everything.
I'm sweating. My mouth is watering.
Yeah, you Ray. She's getting Ray, guys.
Oh my god, I think that was in my finger. The sauce is on my finger. It's so hot.
Yeah, you could definitely feel it right here. Like the whole mouth, the lips and everything. You could feel like this hot. Like the burning section, you know.
My mouth is, like my nose is watering. It's just my nose is running.
Oh my god. It's getting hot for her, you know. I eat buffalo wings all the time. And I usually eat a lot of spiciness. But, you know, sometimes when you want to have that good spiciness, you gotta try new things, you know. You gotta try, like, ghost pepper. It's getting like so hot, like I'm starting to even get like a little headache. So that's what I'm feeling right now, like headache right now. Well, guys, thank you for our challenge and subscribe our YouTube channel. So thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.